Hey everybody, Standell, President of Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're doing well. Man, what an exciting weekend. We've been teasing everybody for the last couple weeks that we had some exciting news going on. And there was about 30 of us joined together yesterday up in St. Pete, Clearwater for a really cool announcement. And the X chapter, as we know it, the non-geo chapter across the United States, we're proud to announce one of our members, Heidi Bushko, is taking over that position as president. So what's some really exciting news, and congratulations to Heidi. A lot of work ahead, but really excited. We're glad to host her. Glad that she's a member of the Florida Suncoast chapter, but we're also very privileged. We have the leader of our 2002 group, Brian Kenports, is a member of the Florida Suncoast chapter. Erwin Block is a member of our chapter. He is the president of the ZSCCA chapter locally here, and by I think I can say this now, the largest ZSCCA chapter in the country, as that's growing, and we continue to grow. So it's we have a lot of options. As with anything with BMW CCA, you don't have to have the specific vehicle, but we'll look forward to co-opting with Heidi and the X group, doing some outings, drives, and all those kind of things. So it's just going to be a blast. Looking forward to that. Talking about a blast and things to do, let me jump right into the June 13th weekend. Very busy weekend, the 13th and 14th. Jacksonville on the 13th is their Caffeine and Octane at the Avenues Mall, and that is Gary, Al, and Keble all get to host that. Huge collection of cars up there, and with a huge presence of BMWs there. So members, come on out and support that event that goes on in Jacksonville. Starting on the 13th and going on to the 14th, we have a two-day autocross. That's the last one of the summer. We take July and August off. It's just way too hot. So we'll do the June autocross, and then we'll skip July, August, and then we'll be back in September, ready, set, and go. So come check that out. That's here in Fort Myers. It's on the website as well. That Saturday, man, you get a bunch of runs, 4, 5, 6, 7 runs. Very inexpensive. And if you've never been, you don't have to drive. You can go out and just watch. I do that sometimes, and I love it. It's just a great experience. And then also on the 13th, I'll be at this event, is the Lakeland Cars and Coffee at Fields BMW. I'll be there. Damien will be anchoring that event. I'll get to say hey to Damien and go from there. So looking forward to that. On the 14th, on Sunday, is the Gainesville Cars and Coffee over with Mary Beth. Mary Beth anchors that one, and it's on the website as well. Go take a look at that. If you're up in that neighborhood, go check that out on Sunday the 14th. Then on the 18th, we have the Florida Suncoast and the ZSCCA Sarasota monthly lunch. That's at 11:30 to 1 o'clock. It's a midweek get together, and that just becomes that's an amazing popular event. Folks get together in the middle of the week over lunch. I just think that's a cool idea, and folks really rally around that one. So it starts at 11:30. It's on the 18th. Check it out. And I think it's normally at Ford's Garage, but I didn't check the menu this time to make sure. On the 20th, we have the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee, and in conjunction with the ZSCCA, we're doing a poker run. So come on out. You got to get there early. We'll leave probably somewhere around 10:30, and I think maybe a really fun drive is related to that. And you know, we always have food in this somewhere, shape, or form, I'm sure. But we're looking forward to that. Thanks to Erwin. Thanks for Rich Rouser to help doing all the planning and the strategics on this. But we should have a lot of fun. You know, we spent a lot of time yesterday in St. Pete, Clearwater, Kim and I did, and visiting with friends, and it's just remarkable how you know, the cars bring us together. It's the relationships that just make it worth all the time in the world that we put together. But I just want to say thank you to all the friends and family that we really get to enjoy. Glad to see the ones we see. Wish we could see more of the folks that we're not seeing as regularly. So come on out, get off that sofa. Come on, let's have some fun. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See you now. Thanks.